Reynolds with Pink Cactus Studio, and today we're going to be painting the beautiful Sunset Beach. So grab your paints and let's go. You're going to need purple, pink, orange, yellow, white, and black. I think that's it. All right, let's go. First start with some yellow. Blend that out, edge to edge, a little bit lower than halfway, and then start blending in some orange on the top and bottom. It's kind of like a little sandwich, a yellow sandwich. And then more orange as you work your way up and a little bit down. And then you can switch into pink. And then don't forget the bottom half of the sandwich. And then you'll go into purple, and purple is going to go all the way to the edge of the canvas, top and bottom. And then come in with some black, make a little 2 shape, like the shape of the number 2, and then fill all that in with black. And then add a landline and some mountains. Now these mountains, you don't want them all to look the same. So some of them might be a little bit pointier. Some of them might be a little more flat. Some of them might have parts poking out the middle of them rather than like the bottom. It's just a variety of sizes. And then go ahead and just breathe and go for it and add 2 tree trunks. You can make them a little bit wider as they get closer to the land if you want to. And then you're going to make these like spider leg firework lines coming out the top of those tree trunks. And you want to go out and down, out and down, out and down. Even if they're high up in the middle, you just go out and down. So now you're going to add the little leaves or the fronds to the palm leaves. And you just sort of take it from the line and pull it out and down, out and down. And you can do both sides, or you can just do one side and it looks like it's folded over. So it's like these little eyelashes that you're putting in there. If it looks a little sparse, add more. But you kind of want to see the sky coming in behind the ends. So if you start in the middle and then pull out and down instead of move up towards the middle, if that makes sense. Come out and down, out and down. And then you can add a few little birds here. They're just a wide letter V. And then the sun. I'm going to start with white and then I'll add yellow and orange later. And if you accidentally like go on top of the mountains, you can just clean it up later and put the mountains back on top. So now you're going to add white sparkle in the water. You can put this wherever you want. I'm kind of following the line of the sand or the line of the land. And you can just keep building those waves and those ripples out. You can add as many or as little as you want. And see how I went on top of the trees there? That's okay, I can fix that later. Later is now. I'm going to fix it now. And again, my hand's in the way and you can't see what I'm actually doing. But I'm just painting on top so that white goes away. And now I'm going back in. You can add yellow into the sun and even some orange, and it kind of blends in with the sunset there. And then you can just add some dots and some sparkle to the waves, to the water. That spot that I started with in the purple, I'm going to go back and fix that later. So basically I put too many there and I didn't like it. So what I had to do was paint over that with the purple and pink from the background again, and then redo that line. So at the very end, it will get changed. So that's the great thing about painting, is you can always make little adjustments with it as you go. So there's some stars up in the sky. And there you go.
Thank you guys so much for painting with me. It was an absolute blast. I can't wait to see what you did. Like, comment, share, follow, all the socials, do the things. All right. Bye, guys.